Welcome back, financial enthusiasts and stock market thrill seekers. Today we will delve into the numbers that move the world of finance. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through Kenvue Inc. metrics. First up, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio over the trailing 12 months. It's like peeking through the keyhole of the company's profitability mansion. With a value of 25.47, it seems that Kenvue could be slightly overvalued now. Fast forward to the future with the forward price-to-earnings ratio at 16.24. It's the crystal ball of the stock market, giving us a glimpse of what's to come. Speaking about the future, with PG ratio or price/earnings to growth ratio at 12.74 indicates an overvaluation when introducing the growth prospects. It's like trying to find the perfect balance between risk and reward, and remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Who's got skin in the game? Insiders do. They're the folks on the inside track, and when nearly 20% of the company is owned by them, you know they've got faith in the game plan. Now let's talk about returns. Return on equity of 9.77% suggests how efficiently the company turns those shareholder dollars into profit. And with a return on assets of 5.53% indicating how effectively Kenvue Inc. is using its assets to generate those sweet returns. It's like watching a magician pull rabbits out of a hat, but with spreadsheets. Continuing with the return on invested capital, which is a crucial metric that tells us how well the company is using its capital to generate earnings. So with a value of 13.11%, it is more than clear that Kenvue knows well how to distribute its capital to obtain earnings. Speaking of earnings, earnings per share or EPS indicates the company's earnings divided by the number of shares outstanding. With a value close to 1 and expected growth over the next 5 years of 2%, it indicates that Kenvue needs to improve to grow at a similar rate to its competitors. Unfortunately, we do not have available the evolution of earnings per share and free cash flow per share over the last decade, as this is a company that emerged after the spin-off of Johnson & Johnson last year. Cha-ching! Kenvue Inc. started paying dividends after a spin-off last year, rewarding investors with a juicy 3.94% dividend yield. It's like getting a sweet bonus just for being part of the club. The operating margin, standing at 19.2%, reflects Kenvue's ability to generate profit from its core business activities. It's like witnessing the company's efficiency in turning revenue into profit. While the profit margin measures the percentage of revenue that translates into profit for Kenvue Incorporated. At 9.88%, it's like seeing the company's ability to maximize its bottom line. During the last 2 years, Kenvue has traveled a flat path. This poor growth situation has been transferred to the market price of Kenvue, since it has obtained a total return last year much lower than the VO. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.75, Kenvue Inc. appears to have a balanced approach to financing its operations, maintaining financial stability while leveraging opportunities for growth. Even in the long run, Kenvue Inc. maintains a prudent level of debt relative to equity, indicating a sustainable capital structure that can weather economic storms. Strap in for a roller coaster ride. Over the past year, Kenvue Inc. has seen an average price return of -24.39%, reflecting volatility in the market and potential opportunities for savvy investors. And with a market capitalization nearing $39 billion, Kenvue Inc. commands a significant presence in the market, positioning itself as a key player in its industry. And now, the moment of truth: analyst predictions and fair value assessment. Analysts foresee a price of $22.79 in the next 12 months, hinting at a potential upside of 12.05%. However, our own analysis suggests a fair value of $18.70, raising questions about the current valuation. So there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the numbers behind Kenvue's performance. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and potential rewards for those brave enough to venture into the world of finance. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!